Hello, everyone. This is Velia Tricoli from Institut Montana, and we're ready to start another amazing summer. I have really exciting news, as this year we have a very special guest, Cary Harrison, former student of the school and also our Hollywood star. So, Cary, can you please tell us a bit what you have been doing and what you're doing in your life?
Thank you so much, Velia. And it's such a treat to be able to return to Montana, a school that, like John Cary and many others that we know about who have been there, have wonderful stories to tell, amazing memories. And without Institut Montana, I probably never would have thought of, created, gone after, sought after many of the passions of my life. So we're going to teach basic media skill sets. We're going to teach basic journalism so that every student has a chance to write about important subjects that mean something to them. Well, it turns out I have talked to a bunch of different public radio stations in the U.S., where the public radio in the U.S. is like BBC. It's our higher end product. We don't have young, brilliant kids telling young, brilliant stories. So a few of them have agreed, sure, let's try it. So we're going to clear this. We're going to put it on the radio and broadcast it around the world, plus stream it from Institut Montana. That's among the many things we're going to do this summer. Our kids are going to get a chance to have hands-on experience. We're going to work with microphones and lighting, writing stories, and making those stories accountable, where you have to fact check and know it's true and think and research, all that cool stuff. But what fun, because at the end of the day, they end up on the air, on the real air, not the make-believe air. That's what we get to bring to the game. And thank you to Velia for making all of this possible.
Thank you, Cary. So you're telling me we're building a real radio studio?
It is a real radio studio. When I'm kicked out or purged off the Zugerberg, however the case may be, you will have a fully functioning, operational radio station where every day, every week, whatever you decide to do, you can transmit messages, you could put together shows, and I will clear them in the United States.